and girls. It's Mrs. Reitnauer with Sleep Tight with a Book a Night. I hope you've had a great day. If it was an e-learning day, I hope you learned a lot today. I have a story for you, and it is called Who Made That Noise? You're going to have a job today during my story. You're going to guess which animal makes the noise on every page. Now, let's look at those animals. There's a cow and a horse and some chicks and a pig right there. If we were going to go somewhere to see those animals, where would we go? Say it out loud. Did you say a farm? If you did, you are correct. If we went to a farm, we would see a cow and a horse and some chicks and some pigs. Good job. Okay, are you ready? You have an assignment. You have to tell me what animal makes that sound. Okay, here we go. Who made that noise? That is the title of the story. The author's name, the person who wrote the words, is Karen Moore. And the art or the illustrator, the person who drew the pictures, is Susan Browning. Who made that noise? The farmyard is buzzing with lots of chatter. Chatter is talk. But something is wrong. Yes, something's the matter. The cat said, "Bow wow." And the frog said, "Mew, mew." What? And poor Henrietta needs to know what to do. Please help her by matching the animal to the sounds it makes. So if you look, you can see that little cat is saying, "Bow wow." That's not what a cat says. And this little frog is saying, "Mew, mew." That is not what a frog says. We have to help. Here we go. Listen. One of these friends says, "Beep, beep, beep." Is that the cow or the chick or the sheep? Did you see my cat? Which one was it? Which animal says beep, beep, beep? Did you guess? You should have said the chick. Did you say the chick? Baby chick said beep, beep, beep. The pig says oink, oink, as he watches the frog. But who says bow wow? The cat or the dog? Which one? You're right. It's the dog. A dog says bow wow. Oh, I better show you the picture. Can you see the cat? The brown cow says moo as she waves her tail. But who says as she drinks milk from a pail? Who is it? Who says meow, meow? Did you say a cat or a kitty? Good job. Do you see the cat? He's drinking milk from the pail. You're doing so well. Say oink, peep, and moo. And you can pretend to play in the yard with each animal friend. Thanks for helping Henrietta. The end. Boys and girls, I hope you liked our story. Bye.